How to fix the Show Taskbar buttons on all taskbars resetting in Windows. Sometimes, the glitch in the taskbar interface can be resolved by restarting File Explorer. It reloads the components of the taskbar and often fixes the problem temporarily. Updating GPU driver ensures compatibility with your system and can resolve display-related bugs. Restart your computer after updating all necessary drivers. The problem with the taskbar could be due to a corrupted user profile. Creating a new user account provides a fresh environment to test if the issue is related to your current profile. Running a system restore can return your system to a previous state when the taskbar issue was not present. This can undo changes made by recent updates or software installations. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.